Hi friends, in this lecture we will continue problems on Stokes theorem. So verify Stokes theorem for f bar equal to 2x minus yi minus yz square j minus y square zk, where s is the upper half of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, and c is the boundary of the surface. See, so first of all, what is the statement of Stokes theorem? Integral f bar dot dr over the curve C equal to double integral of del cross f dot nds over the surface S. So in case of these verification problems, so you have to calculate this line integral and the surface integral. If these two values are equal, then the theorem is verified. So now first we will calculate this integral f bar dot dr over the curve C. Since integral f bar dot dr over the curve C equal to integral f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. Now what is f1, f2, f3? So this is f1, so this is f2, this is f3. So therefore integral f1 dx, f1 is 2x minus y dx plus f2 is minus yz square dy plus f3 is minus y square z dz over the curve C. Since the C is the boundary of the upper half of the sphere S, so therefore it is a circle on xy plane. So on xy plane z is 0. So z is 0 means dz is 0. So in this sphere equation, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, if z is 0 means it is a equation of a circle x square plus y square equal to 1. Now since dz is 0 means this term is 0. If you are substituting z equal to 0 in this, 0 into anything is 0. So therefore this term is also 0. Therefore integral 2x minus y dx over the curve C. Now we have to simplify this. For this we have to convert this in parametric form. So generally in case of single integral we are converting this either in terms of x or in terms of y or in terms of a parameter theta or t. Since the parametric form of a circle is x equal to a cos theta and y equal to a sin theta. So a is radius of the circle. Since in this radius is 1, so therefore put x equal to a cos theta, y equal to a sin theta. If x equal to a cos theta means, so dx is, so derivative of cos theta, so that is minus sin theta d theta, and dy, so derivative of sin theta, that is cos theta d theta, and theta limits are 0 to 2 pi. Now substitute these values in this. So 2x value cos theta, y value sin theta, dx value. What is dx? Dx equal to minus sin theta d theta, and theta limits are 0 to 2 pi. So therefore integral 0 to 2 pi 2 cos theta minus sin theta into minus sin theta d theta. So simplify this and separate this integration. So 2 cos theta into minus sin theta d theta, that is minus 2 cos theta sin theta d theta plus, so this minus into minus plus, integral 0 to 2 pi sin into sin is sin square theta d theta. So since 2 sin theta cos theta, so 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So write down this, and sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Now integrate this. So integral sin a theta equal to, so what is the value of sin a theta? That is minus cos a theta by a. So a is the, so therefore in case of this already, so sin 2 theta, that is cos 2 theta by 2, and already minus is there, so minus of minus is plus, and substitute the upper limit and lower limit. So 2 pi and 0, so cos 2 into 2 pi, that is cos 4 pi minus cos 0. So cos 4 pi is 1 and cos 0 is also 1. So therefore 1 minus 1 is 0. So this total term is 0. Now for this, so sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So this 1 by 2 is constant. So write this outside of this integration. integral 1 d theta. So integral d theta is theta minus cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta value is sin 2 theta by 2. So between the limits 0 to 2 pi. So in case of this, so theta value 2 pi minus 0, that is 2 pi. In case of this, sin 2 into 2 pi, that is sin 4 pi minus sin 0. Sin 4 pi is 0, sin 0 is 0. So therefore this total value is 0. So this is 0, this is 0. 1 by 2 into 2 pi. So cancel this, you will get pi. Now calculate double integral del cross f dot nds. For this, first of all, you have to calculate this del cross f. So del cross f equal to 3 by 3 determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. So f1 is 2x minus y, f2 is minus yz square, and f3 is minus y square z. Now find the determinant of this. So for this, corresponding row and column you have to eliminate I into dou by dou y of minus y square z. So with respect to y, so y square value is derivative of y square, that is 2y into z, that is minus 2yz, minus dou by dou z of minus yz square, y into z square derivative 2z into y, that is 2yz, minus, already here minus is there, minus of minus, plus 2yz, minus j into, so corresponding row and column you have to eliminate dou by dou x of minus y square z. So with respect to x, so this value is constant 0 there, this derivative, and dou by dou z of 2x minus y. So with respect to z, this is 0. Therefore j into 0 minus 0 plus k into, corresponding row and column you have to eliminate dou by dou x of minus yz square. So that is with respect to x, this is 0, 0 minus dou by dou y of 2x minus y. So 2x derivative is 0, minus y is 1. So minus 1 into, already here minus is there, minus of minus plus. So therefore we will get k. So in case of this xy plane, this is unit normal vector I, j, k, x, y, z. So this is the xy plane. In xy plane, what is the unit normal vector perpendicular to xy plane? That is k. So therefore you have to consider k, n equal to k, and ds. So ds equal to dx dy. So substitute these values. So del cross f, so del cross f is k, so n cap is k, on xy plane ds value is dx dy. So k dot k is 1, so double integral of dx dy. So it is the area of the given region. So area of the given region is circle, so that is area of the circle is pi r square. So what is r? R equal to 1. So pi into 1 square, that is 1. Therefore we will get pi. Since already we calculated single integral, that is pi, so therefore, see, if these two values are equal, integral f bar dot dr over the curve C and double integral of del cross f bar dot nds over the surface S. So both are equal, therefore theorem is verified. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.